Men's grooming doesn't have to be complicated, just clean, natural, and effective. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of our most popular products that works great for men, our Solid Shampoo Bars. Whether you're shopping for gifts for Father's Day or for any other day, gift-giving occasion for a guy in your life, or for yourself. Take a few minutes to just watch this video and see if you haven't tried Solid Shampoo Bars, especially if you haven't tried our Solid Shampoo Bars, that you might want to give it a think. So you can find the link down below. This is just one of them right here. Let's get into it. Why guys love Solid Shampoo Bars? Because, and we have quite a few men that is all they buy from us, and they buy from us on a regular basis because Solid Shampoo Bars are so great because they're simple, they're easy. One bar, head to toe. You can use it as shampoo. You can use it as a soap. They're sustainable. There's no plastic bottle. They're solid, so they come in a craft box like this. Ours do anyways. And they're great for travel because you don't have to worry about them leaking. And they smell great too. So we make our Solid Shampoo Bars in 3 different scents. This is Hill Country, which I just had a gentleman contact me not too long ago saying how it is his very favorite scent and he just absolutely loves it. So, and that's pretty much the only thing he uses on his hair. We also have our Bay Rum that's a little bit spicy. It's a blend of essential oils of bay and bergamot. And then we also have our Rosemary Mint, which is herbal and minty. So, and I guess I really didn't describe the Hill Country, but it's a woodsy scent. It's a blend of essential oils of cedarwood, fir needle, and oak moss. We have a variety of solid shampoo scents, basically, that work for pretty much any scent preference that you might have. We've got the Hill Country, which is woodsy, the Bay Rum, which is sort of a citrus spicy, and then the Rosemary Mint, which is herbal and peppermint. So to use these, you just literally take the bar out of the box. Here's what one looks like. This is the Bay Rum. And I find that it lathers best if you wet your hair in the shower and rub it on your head, literally. Give yourself a little scalp massage, and that is going to give you the best lather and the best bathing. Oh gosh, these just smell amazing. So I just know any guy out there is going to like them. So we have a number of very satisfied guys who do. So I make everything. It's all natural. I'm located right here in North Texas. So everything is handmade using pure essential oils and in the USA. So how great is that? So these make excellent gifts. If you're not sure which scent and you're looking for a gift to give, we even have a gift set, our shampoo tin that's got a 2-ounce bar of each one of the 3 shampoo bars, solid shampoo bars in it. So you or whoever you're gifting it to can try all 3 of them, figure out which one they like the best. And the link down in the description goes straight to a page that I've created, a category page with different men's, these solid shampoo bars on it, as well as the shampoo bar set, and then some other men's gift items. So if you are shopping for a gift for a guy, either for Father's Day or a birthday, or maybe we're down the road a bit and from when this video is filmed and you're shopping for Christmas, there's a variety of different things there for you to check out that'll work for any guy. And they're all natural, they're all handmade, they all help bring nature a little bit more into his life. Enjoy the journey. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful and you'd like to find out more about my products or what I do and how important using essential oils and bringing nature into your skincare and into your life is, please sign up, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.